Hi, Chris Hudick here, Technical Director of Karnak. I'm here today at a metal roof restoration. I'm going to show you some common repairs to make and also some coating options that we can apply for any metal roof. Alright, we're going to start the cleaning process on our metal roof using scrapers, wire brush. Also have a wire brush on a drill. This is $7.99 Wash and Prep Roof Cleaner. We're going to use this today to clean our metal roof. It's also good on many other different types of roof surfaces. Now I'm going to come through with my power washer to remove the cleaner and all the dirt that is loosened off. Once it's dry, we'll take our sealant and make all our repairs and seal this roof watertight. And now I'm ready to put my base coat down of my acrylic roof coating system. The product I'm going to use is 404 corrosion proof base coat. This is our acrylic base coat that's specific to metal. This base coat has a rust inhibitor to prevent rust and corrosion on the roof. I can use either a mixing stick or a jiffy mixer. Either way, I need to make sure the coating is nice and homogeneous throughout. Now that our base coat is dry, we're going to apply our finished acrylic coating, which is our 501 Elastobrite. This is our very reflective ASTM 6083 Type 1 acrylic finish coating. It is an elastomeric product that's extremely white. It's got an Energy Star rating, and it's going to perform beautifully for this roof for many years to come. I'm going to use a jiffy mixer on a 1/2-inch drill. It can also be mixed with a 5-gallon mixing stick if you want. The finished coating has been applied. Now the roof has been cleaned, sealed, coated, and now it's watertight. Karnak has 3 system solutions for metal roofing: acrylic elastomeric roof coating system, SEBS thermoplastic elastomeric metal roof coating system, elastomeric aluminum metal roof coating system. When you Karnak your roof with one of these system solutions, you're providing a true long-lasting coating system for many, many years.